Sensex today ended 153 points lower, extending its losing run to 8th straight session on heavy selling in metals, power and PSU shares, amid the rupee again breaching the 61 mark against the dollar. Nifty also fell by 50 points to close at 5,678. The 8-day losing streak is the blue chip index's longest in 4 months. On a weekly basis, Sensex was down 3%. The rupee fell a massive 67 paise to all-time closing low of 61.10 against the dollar despite slew of steps taken by the government and the central bank in the past few weeks to support the battered currency. The previous record low closing was 60.72 on June 26th. Better than expected US GDP growth has boosted the US dollar. Market regulator SEBI has sought details from various brokers about their direct and indirect exposure to the National Spot Exchange Limited, even as shares of its listed group entities, Financial Technologies and MCX continued to bleed for the second straight day. The government's 3.56% stake sale offer in Neyveli Lignite Corporation got fully subscribed to fetch around 350 crore rupees to the exchequer. The centre is selling over 5.97 crore shares in NLC through an institutional placement program at a price band of 58 to 60 rupees a share. The issue received bids for over 6.12 crore shares as against 5.97 crore on offer. Both the precious metals, gold and silver, fell for the second straight session today on heavy selling by stockists in tandem with a weak global trend. Gold plunged further by 375 rupees to 28,350 rupees per 10 grams, while silver lost 520 rupees to 41,100 rupees per kilogram on poor offtake by industrial units and coin makers. The long-awaited Telecom Unified licenses, which aims to free players from limitations on use of technology for services and allow them to take benefits under the new sectoral policy, will be in place in 1 or 2 days. Telecom Minister Kapil Sibal said this on a sideline of an event in New Delhi. And Birmingham Airport welcomed Air India's first Dreamliner flight connecting Birmingham with Amritsar and Delhi, fulfilling a long-cherished dream of the people of Punjab. The Air India's Dreamliner AI 461 with nearly 220 passengers on board was warmly welcomed at the airport last night.